A YZ85 board over 112, and I'm going to be hitting that jump right over there, and hopefully I can get some pretty good air on camera. That was what my goal was. So it's gonna be a little it's gonna be a pain for me situating the camera, so just hold on and please don't start watching a different video because, well, I kind of want you guys to watch this. So, it's going to be, my dirt bike is not going to be that loud, so you guys can hopefully hear some, whatever. I'm being an idiot, like I always am, but here, I'm going to get the camera on the ground, and I will not hit the camera, if you guys are wondering. So let's get this rolling. Cable, shoot. Oh yeah, and by the way, this bike, I bought this bike exactly how it is. If you guys were wondering, like, oh my gosh, you put so much money into that bike. Actually, no. I paid $1,200 for this bike, which is $1,200. Very cheap for how much money has been put into this bike. So, ow. So, yeah. Stop that. So, I know I don't have very many videos out, so this is my first one for the dirt bike. I haven't got any out for the GoPro yet. So, and if anyone does watch this video, I have a really, really good friend that also does YouTube, and her YouTube name is Rare Werewolf. So, it's Rare Werewolf. And she is a little weird, but she's a good friend of mine. She does some pretty funny videos. So, hopefully you like my channel and videos, and hopefully hers too. And after I do this, I'll see if I can get a pan of my dirt bike, okay? Okay, so I should be able to get a pan of my bike for you guys. So, hold on. And, so I might have a second part of the video besides the pan of my dirt bike. I might, if I can figure out how to hold my phone, I will do a ride down this road at ludicrous speeds. Some of you guys may be scared shitless if you guys went that fast down a road like this. And there are parts where I am going to be going slow.